Welcome to the Guitar Jet YouTube channel. I'm your chief guitar instructor, Miles, and today I'm going to give you a major pentatonic scale guitar lesson. You'll learn the 5 shapes of the major pentatonic scale, and you'll learn how to construct the scale using a formula. And we're going to start by playing the C major pentatonic scale, shape 1, at fret 8 of your low E. So you'll play 8-10 on low E. That's played with your middle and pinky fingers. Then 7-10 on A and D. 7-9 on G with your index and ring fingers, and then 8-10 on B and high E with your index and ring fingers. And that gives you C major pentatonic scale shape 1. And the formula you're using here is root and second. Then you go to a major third, and then a fifth, and then a sixth, and then to your octave. And that gives you your major pentatonic scale formula. Now let's learn shape number 2. And you're going to go up to fret 10, and you'll play 10-12 on E, A, and D, 9-12 on G, 10-13 on B, and 10-12 on high E. And then for shape number 3, you're going to play 12-15 on low E and on the A string. And then you're going to play 12-14 on D and G, 13-15 on B, and 12-15 on the high E. And one thing that's really helpful to remember is that you'll always use the same fret numbers for low E and high E. And that's, of course, a beginner tip. All right, now we'll go to shape number 4. And you're going to actually move to the G note, and you could play it either at the 15th position or at the 3rd position. We'll play at the 3rd position, and we'll play 3-5 on E and A, 2-5 on D and G, 3-5 on B and high E. And then for the final shape, you'll go to your note A at the 5th fret of the low E and play 5-8, 5-7 on A, D, and G, and then 5-8 on B and high E. Now what you might notice about this final shape, shape number 5, is that it's actually a minor pentatonic shape 1. And so you can actually find the relative major to any minor pentatonic scale by going to the 2nd degree of that scale. So in this case, like you have your root note A, and then the 2nd note you play in the scale is the C note, and that's going to be your major root note. So the A minor pentatonic scale is the same scale as the C major pentatonic scale. They have the exact same notes. The only difference is the context. The context determines the name, and context is defined by harmony. So if you're playing over a minor chord, you've got A minor pentatonic. But if you're playing over the major chord, like C major, and you play the notes of A minor pentatonic, then you'll get the C major pentatonic scale. So that's how the major pentatonic scale works. And if you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments section below. Of course, subscribe to the Guitar Jet YouTube channel if you like videos about guitar scales, theory, techniques, and other things like that. And if you have any suggestions for videos, then leave those ideas in the comments as well. Last but not least, have a fantastic day and keep rocking on your guitar. Peace out.